Good morning, welcome to a new video of Cryptomarkets. Today we're going to discuss Bitcoin and the total market cap and Ethereum. And as you know, if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel or like beneath so you can help my channel move forward. So what do we see on the markets right now is that we've had a nice push up yesterday and currently we are still consolidating. What we see is that we've got and defined a range since the halving actually, which is already almost 3 months ago. A range high around 10k, a range low around 8.5. If we add the levels, we can erase them as well and then start to level them out. 8.5, 8 or 8.6 to 8.9 has to hold a support. It did. Then you want to see the support hold at 9k, which did. And now, wrong green color. And now we want to see that we're holding the next level for support again, through which 9.150 is a level that we want to see hold. Generally, I do not expect that level to be hit. I think 9.2 should be hit, and we're just consolidating. So what we see is that we're currently in an uptrend since the heavy crash on March 12th. We've crashed below the lows, took everyone out who did not believe in crypto. And we've got a stair that we've taken the stairs down in the past month and are now ready to remove that downwards momentum and start grinding upwards. So what we see is that we've got some untested levels and we've got the likelihood of a potential ascending triangle, which is going to take long until we break out. And as we see that it is taking long, we can also expect altcoins to be going great, as everyone likes. But there will be a moment that you should be out of altcoins, and that's in this area when we're going to see a breaker above this heavy range high, which is between 10 to 10.5k. What we see is that we have some untested levels at 9.6, and we've got a level around 9.8, and we've got essentially the level around 10.1. So once we break the last one, I expect heavy volatility to kick in. So we've tested already one of these levels, which is the 9.4k zone, which occurred after we broke the 9.2 level. Does that mean that we get a parabolic move all of a sudden? No, most likely we're continuing the ranging. However, we inverse the momentum. So from here we are going to see, we have seen a breaker of this downtrend, whatever you make of it. We test the first level and now we seem to be done with these movements. We could still have one tap up, but most likely we're going to consolidate before we get a new breaker. What is the level you want to watch for a potential long entry is the level around 9.2, 9.1.5, which is also the crucial level to hold for Bitcoin right now. If we drop below this level, and we drop for instance towards 9k, a bearish retest of the 9.2 zone would trigger a short entry and then we can start seeing acceleration downwards. But given that we have broken up, I think I still deploy the buy the dip strategy, in which you want to see the 9.1 to 9.2 zone become support, which seems likely that we're going to test that in the next days. So if we zoom in some even more, we can see that we're currently on support, so I would not be surprised if we get a bouncer here. Probably a bouncer towards one of the highs. We might be making another high before we drop down to create some bearish diffs. If we lose this level, then we're going to test the lower range, and then we get another Bart Simpson pattern. Is that bad for the markets? No, it's just that we are range bound. You can see that the volume is not high on these movements, as we are just stuck in these ranges. And as long as we're stuck in ranges and we're going to test these levels, altcoins will do well. Once we break 10.1, then we're going to see acceleration, and then you should be worried about holding your altcoins. So what is the bearish view? Well, I've just said it. If we lose 9.2, we probably drop to 8.8. A bearish retest of 9.2 means continuation, but overall we are in the choppy range and we're doing pretty much fine. If we check the total market cap, it looks ready for a heavy breaker. As you can see, I've actually made a wrong, I've taken the wrong chart here. It's following the plan. It flipped the previous support for a support. We tested the 7.7 zone, which is equal to Bitcoin 7.7, but Bitcoin didn't come there, but the whole market cap did. Support resistance flip, and now facing resistance, which is essentially the last level before we can start rallying to most likely even 335 billion. So I think that we're going to see a breakout of the total market cap in the coming period, not through Bitcoin, but through altcoins, as this is just looking better than Bitcoin itself. And altcoins are looking nice as they are making new highs already. Essentially, we can still go down towards the block here, which you don't want to see it lose. New high, which is just higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Higher low right now. Probably a new higher high in this red zone is what you want to see from here. Definitely we still have one level here, so we could get an area like, compression and then breakout. But that would quantify and qualify that we are in a new uptrend and in a new bull market. So as long as the total market cap remains valid, I expect that we're going to see continuation up. And what is going to occur? Well, we have made this Ether chart a long time ago, and it's following the plan. We wanted to see 230 become support. It did. We have tapped the resistance 4 times. And once we break out of this range construction, you can see a new impulse wave come. And I generally expect that we're going to rally towards 311 first. Then flip the level around 260 to 290. Probably it's going to be this high. So if we do it the right way, I think we're going to see a rally towards 311. Then drop down to a flip of 280 and then continuation towards the high 400 bucks zone. So it's a short video today. I've got stuff to do, but I hope this one helped you a lot. And thank you for watching. I'll see you back tomorrow with a new video.